Hi, my marvelous chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to prepare Oeufs and Cocotte, also known as shirred or baked eggs. This translates from French to eggs in a casserole. What I used to prepare this recipe was eggs, potatoes, milk, green onions, butter, toast, olive oil, and of course salt and pepper. With that said, let's get cooking. Begin by preparing the potatoes. We're basically making mashed potatoes. Bring a pot of water to the boil, peel and dice the potatoes, then dice the green onions. Once the water reaches the boil, add the potatoes and cook them until tender. Then drain and mash the potatoes. Add butter and mash that into the potatoes. Pour in some milk, a splash will do, and mash that a little at a time. Season with salt and pepper, and keep mashing until the potatoes reach a creamy smoothness. Then, fill a couple ramekins with the potatoes, leaving enough room for an egg on top of each ramekin, like so. Add some water to a pot or a pan that has enough depth to it to hold the ramekins inside, while being able to be covered with the lid. Bring that to a slow simmer. Meanwhile, toast a couple slices of French bread, or any kind of bread you have on hand, drizzle or spray on some olive oil and season with salt and herbs. I have a Mediterranean finishing salt blend that I absolutely adore. Next, add the ramekins to the pot. Follow that up by cracking a fresh egg on top of each. Be sure to not crack the egg, but if you do, it's not the end of the world. Cover with the lid and set a 6-minute timer. Anything longer than that and the yolks will set and you'll have hard-boiled eggs on top of your creamy potatoes, and that's no bueno. Once the time is up, quickly remove the ramekins from the pan and set aside. You're trying to make sure it doesn't continue to cook. Season the eggs with salt and pepper and then garnish with the diced green onions and serve with a wedge of toast. Then tuck in and enjoy. This is quite possibly the most French way possible to prepare eggs, but more importantly, I'm trying to recreate a breakfast I had in a small Los Angeles cafe that went beyond viral a couple years back. That restaurant is vulgarly named Egg Slut, and this is their namesake dish. Despite the gaudy name, it was one of the best breakfasts of my entire life. It's basically a poached egg resting atop a bed of mashed potatoes with a crouton garnish. Mon ami, it's delectable. Please let me know what you think. If you made this dish, did you tweak the recipe at all? Do you have any suggestions to improve upon it? Is there anything you do differently? I'd love to hear all your feedback, positive or negative. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support. I hope you have a fantastic, wonderful day. Enjoy.
If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!